6 months ago, I was stuck, broke, stressed, and buried in bills. Then one night I found a strategy using free AI tools that took me from $0 to $10,000 a month. No hype, no gurus, just a real blueprint. And today, I'm giving it to you. I'm not here to flex. I'm here to share the exact system, tools, and mindset that changed everything because most people are using AI completely wrong, and it's costing them. AI isn't a magic wand. The winners. They use it to multiply themselves, not replace themselves. They solve real problems, at scale, quietly making serious money, while others just spam the internet. Everything changed when I stopped asking, how can AI make me money? And started asking, how can AI help me solve bigger problems faster? Money flows to people who solve valuable problems. AI is just the jet fuel. Once I cracked that, I wasn't fighting for scraps with millions of wannabe entrepreneurs. I was in a lane of my own, using AI to deliver solutions people actually wanted. This blueprint is built on 3 pillars. 1. Problem identification, using AI to find what people actually pay for. 2. Solution creation, using AI to build those solutions faster and better. 3. Distribution, using AI to get your solution in front of the right people. Miss any one of these, and you'll struggle. Get all 3 right, and things start to snowball. Let's get practical. Pillar 1 is about finding urgent, expensive problems. Not problems you think exist, problems people are already paying to solve. Here's my favorite ChatGPT AI prompt. I'm 25 years old. What are 20 problems people would pay to avoid? But don't stop at the first list. Dig deeper. Ask, which of these cost people the most money? Which do people complain about the most online? Which have the worst solutions right now? Spend more time here than you think you need. The gold is in the research. Now, you've got a killer solution. But if nobody sees it, it's worthless. This is where AI becomes your megaphone. Use it to create content that educates, not sells about the problem. For example, short videos. Why 90% of sales emails fail. Blog posts. How to follow up without sounding desperate. Social posts. 3 mistakes, killing your email replies. Focus on teaching. When you do, people reach out to you, not the other way around. Here's how it played out for me. I noticed real estate agents hated following up with leads. They didn't know what to say and felt awkward. So, I built an AI-powered follow-up system that analyzed each client and generated personalized messages. Instead of pitching it, I made free content, how to follow up without being pushy. Agents started DMing me, asking for more. That's when I offered the system. Within weeks, I had my first $1,000 a month. Scaling isn't about creating more products, it's about making your one solution better. Every time someone used my system, I'd ask what would make this even easier. Then I'd use AI to add that feature. The better my system got, the more referrals I got, and the higher I could charge. It snowballed. $500, $1,500, $3,000, $7,000, $10,000 a month. It's not about working harder. It's about letting your solution and AI work for you. But let's talk about what trips most people up. Mistake 1, trying to automate everything. AI should amplify your expertise, not erase it. Mistake 2, obsessing over tools instead of outcomes. People pay for results, not tech. Mistake 3, serving everyone. The riches are in the niches. Pick one problem, one market, and master it. Mistake for giving up too early. This isn't magic. It takes months of consistent action, not days. Alright, so we've covered the entire blueprint from that first $0 day all the way to potentially hitting $10,000 a month with AI. But let's get real. Knowledge without action is just expensive entertainment. Here's your exact next step. Pick one AI tool from today's breakdown. Don't try to master everything at once. That's where most people stumble. Whether it's ChatGPT for content, Claude for research, or Midjourney for visuals. Just choose one and focus on getting good at it this week. Next, decide on your first income stream. Are you leaning towards content creation, automation services, or digital products. Go with what matches your current skills, not just what sounds most exciting. Now, set a 30-day deadline, not 90 days, not when you have time. Give yourself 30 days to launch your first system and earn your first dollar. Even if it's just $10, that's all you need to prove this works. Everything I've shared is what I wish someone had told me starting out. The tools, the strategies, and the mindset shifts. But here's the difference between dreamers and doers. Doers take the first step today. If this blueprint gave you clarity, smash that like button. So I know you want more, no hype, actionable content. And if you're serious about building wealth without burning out, hit subscribe. Every video here is designed to change how you think about money. Your financial freedom isn't coming from a guru's course or some get-rich-quick trick. It's coming from you, taking consistent action on proven systems. The blueprint is in your hands now. I'll see you in the next one.